What if I told you your life could completely change in the next 30 days? Not next year, not someday, 30 days, but only. If you follow this exactly, let's be honest, your life is not stuck because of bad luck. It's stuck because of repeated habits, same routine, same distractions, same excuses, and then we wonder, why nothing changes? Your life today is the result of what you do daily. If you want a different life, you need a different system. Here's the truth most people ignore. You don't need motivation. Days 1 to 7. Cut the noise. This is your detox phase. Do this. Delete or limit social media. Wake up early, no excuses. Avoid junk food and late nights. Spend 30 minutes in silence daily. Why? Because your mind is overloaded, and a distracted mind cannot build a focused life. Days 8 to 15. Build discipline. Now you take control. Start these habits. Exercise daily, even 20 minutes. Read 10 pages a day. Set 3 daily goals and complete them. This is where most people quit because discipline is uncomfortable. But remember, your comfort zone is your prison. Days 16 to 23, upgrade your mind. Now we work on your thinking. Do this daily. Write your goals. Visualize your future. Learn a new skill. Because success is not just action, it is mindset. If you think differently, you will act differently. Days 20 to 30, take action. This is where your life actually changes. Now, start something you've been delaying. Apply for opportunities. Build something business, skill, network. No more planning, only action. Not because it's hard, but because they give up too early. They skip one day, then another, and then quit completely. Success doesn't require perfection, it requires consistency. If you follow this for 30 days, you won't just change your habits, you will change your confidence, your mindset, your identity. And once your identity changes, your life follows 30 days from now. You will either say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I had started. The choice is yours. Your life won't change until you change. So the question is, are you ready?